3. For Part 3, make sure that you read and summarize the food chains, or read and summarize Part 3's reading about food chains and their connection to food webs. For this segment, you are going to be starting with your original food chain. So if you go back to your Gungrosa food web that you created, food chain, you can copy and paste all of your food chains down into your food web, or you can just, with 2 fingers, click on your slide and you can duplicate the slide, and then you get rid of the slide that we have here with your food web posted at the top. Once you have your food chain here on slide 5, then you need to choose 1 other producer and 4 other consumers to create a food web, making sure to note the direction of the arrows and that they are pointing in the correct direction from the thing that is consumed to the consumer. Then proceed to question 11. Question 11 asks you in 2 to 3 sentences to describe any patterns you may notice in the relationships between trophic levels. This could include things like the types of animals in the trophic level, or possibly their feeding niches. Once you've answered the question, you need to copy the ecological force table into your assignment. It should look something like this. Once you have the table copied into your assignment, you will read about a disturbance. So let's go back to our Gungrosa Food Web interactive slides. And on slide 6, you will find 6 different ecological forces that you can choose to place here. There's droughts, agriculture and deforestation, war, fires, increasing human population, and tourism. Once you've chosen one that you would like to do, you can read them all if you would like, but when you click on one, you can copy it and place it into the one that you are going to choose, and then you can increase the size. And that'll allow you to read it more efficiently. You will use the information on this card to complete your table. You will describe 4 ecosystem impacts that the card provides for you, and you will predict how this impact could be seen in your food web. For example, how might it affect the producers, or how might it affect the tertiary consumers? Once you've finished filling out your chart, then describe whether some of the trophic levels benefit from the disturbance while others do not. If humans caused the disturbance, was it negative or positive for each trophic level in the food chain? answer that on your notebook version of the assignment.